Today we are going to make muscat. There are so many ways that we can make muscat. This method is one of them. To make today's recipe, we need these ingredients. First, we need to dissolve corn flour in water. Then we need to dissolve sugar in water under medium heat. When sugar dissolves completely, we can add cardamom and salt as per your taste. When the sugar mixture starts bubbling, we need to add our prepared corn flour mixture. Before adding corn flour into sugar, make sure you again give it a good mix. After adding corn flour, we need to continuously stir this. When the mixture becomes a bit thicker, gradually add melted butter. Then you can add your favorite food coloring and make your muscat more colorful. When the muscat mixture comes to the right consistency without sticking on the sides of the pan, we can combine chopped cashew. Now let's transfer our muscat mixture into a prepared tray and let it cool down completely around 3 to 4 hours. As the mixture cools down, it becomes a bit harder and perfectly set. Then we can get it out of the pan and enjoy. In my next video, I am going to make a tasty toffee recipe that you can have for your tea time. If you like to get notifications of my upcoming videos, please subscribe my channel and ring the bell icon.